Beach, ocean waves hitting the shore. Does it make you want to take the plunge and dive right in? Well, granted, life insurance probably doesn't come to mind, but here's what someone said about our next guest. I never trusted anyone enough to take the plunge into life insurance until I met Brandon, a military man, ambitious work ethic designed to serve the client. He clearly explained all options and no salesman tactics or pressure sales game, and that is quite a compliment, and that's where Brandon Burton of Securing Life Today comes in. Brandon, how are you?
I'm doing great today, thank you.
Talk about the statistics that most Americans don't have enough life insurance. What's stopping us?
Yeah, well, we find most of the reasons is that they can't afford it, they don't think that they can afford it, or maybe they've met with someone in the past before and they've had a bad experience. Or maybe they just simply need some life insurance coverage and they don't want to sit down with someone, have several different meetings, give them all their personal financial information just to be able to get some life insurance coverage to protect their family.
Okay.
Another reason, and these are actually people that have life insurance coverage, but we find that these are people that are generally underinsured, is that their financial needs have evolved over time and they haven't reassessed their financial situation to see if their current life insurance coverage meets their needs today. And lastly, what I think is the biggest reason is we don't look at ourselves, people, as being priceless every day. You know, we're priceless individuals and we're extremely valuable to the people in the world around us. You know, and getting life insurance is an emotional thing and people have to be moved emotionally, and we truly help people understand just how valuable they are to the world around them and their family and their loved ones.
Okay, they need to sit down with a professional like yourself to go over their options. So if someone's considering it, what do they need to do first?
Well, many years of experience in this business and being recognized on a national level in the insurance industry, one of the first things is we want to make sure that our clients are getting good advice. And we want to make sure that the people that are giving that advice also warrant giving that advice. There's a lot of people giving advice in this line of business, but rarely do we see that they're actually in touch with the end result of what they're doing, delivering a death benefit to the family of an insured and really understanding what the value of what we're doing is trying to help people with. Okay,
talk about some of your testimonials. I know that you've got some impressive clients on your roster.
Well, one of them is a former Orange County Housewives, on the OC Housewives, a former model as well. And I have a few other people as well that, you know, we've helped, and they really see the value in what we do, and they know that my experiences being in the military and protecting our country's freedom, you know, is really giving me the opportunity to give arguably the best advice to people, which is helping them protect what's most important, their family and loved ones.
We love that. Okay, so talk about other factors we need to consider when shopping for life insurance.
Yeah, so there's a lot of insurance companies and there's even more people selling it. What we tend to hear is that there's one specific insurance agent working for one specific insurance company and selling their specific insurance product. And, you know, our clients really like transparency in this day and age, and they want to know that they're getting the best price, and it's kind of hard for one specific insurance agent of one specific company to not have an agenda to just sell their company's product, which is what they will do. So we give people the tools to be able to shop and compare life insurance rates on our website, giving them the power and choice to choose.
So is that a good place to start? Go to the website if you're thinking about getting coverage to kind of navigate what your options are?
I think that everyone tends to go to the internet first to do their research this day and age, and I think it's a good idea to kind of figure out, you know, what they can get and what it looks like and how it fits and why. I think it's a great idea to go on the internet, and our website can help people do that as well too.
And you're giving back. Let's talk about that. You are someone who has served our country, and we say high five to that. Yes. Talk about how you give back through your company.
Well, I've been involved in charities for quite some time now since I got out of the military, and we realize that everyday people don't have the opportunity to give back and support the local community causes that, you know, have affected our lives or the ones around us. And so we've adopted a philosophy of protect a life, save a life. And so for every person that protects their family and or business with life insurance, we donate a portion of the proceeds to 3 charities. One of them is Make-A-Wish Foundation. The other is Big Brothers Big Sisters, which is of America, which is actually their national headquarters is here now in Irving, Texas. And then DAV, which is Disabled American Veterans.
Brandon, thank you so much for being here today and sharing this great information. And thanks for what you're doing for so many in the community. And more information can be found by calling 888-570-4395 or log on to securinglifetoday.com.